Hi guys, it's Kenny Yu. We have listed a gorgeous home in Madeley. And with me is Sarah, the property owner. And Sarah would like to tell us a little bit more about the home.
I would love to, thank you. We've lived here for about 9 years. We've enjoyed the large open plan living area and a lot of space for entertaining out the back. Many a Christmas spent lazing in the pool, New Year's Eves, and lots of family time spent in this house. We've really enjoyed all the space, especially in the yard and in the living areas. We really, when I came to view the home, I walked into the living area and just immediately felt at home. It's very warm and open and full of natural light, and and everyone kind of feels like that when they come over. And we've got plenty of space in the bedrooms, minor bedrooms as well. We've fitted out our one of the spare living areas with a home theatre, which we've enjoyed many a Friday night movie without spending $50 at the cinema. And so we'll be really sad to see this house go, moving on to a new life. And a wonderful neighbourhood. Some lovely neighbours and a street party every year at Christmas, which I'm sure you'll be invited to if you choose to live in this home. And that's about everything, I think.
Well, tell us a little bit about the backyard. You have fake grass, we've got the cubby house there. So there's lots of space for kids' things, and even we've got them out of the way down the side there, so that you've still got lots of room for the kids to run around and cartwheel and flip on the grass, as my nieces often do. We really enjoy the water features and having breakfast out here on a Sunday morning. It's been wonderful. And I suppose the other lovely thing is we've kind of fitted all new appliances and everything in now. Brand new air conditioning and all that. Okay, and you've got massive solar system as well. Big solar system to keep those energy bills down, especially with a pool and an air conditioner. Otherwise would be very expensive. But that really helps. And Oh, good. Well, thank you so much for taking time to describe your home to
no worries.
us. And I'm sure the viewers...
We've enjoyed it. We hope the next person enjoys it as much as we did.
Oh yeah, good stuff. All right. So all the very, very best to our sale.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us on board again.
Thank you, Kenny.
Thank you.